So this workshop would not be possible without people contributing their time and energy to make it work. And I want to ask right now to have all the Digniplanners, I call them the best Digniplanners on the planet, to turn on their cameras and wave so you can see the people that have spent the last 6 months donating hours and hours of energy and leadership to make this workshop happen. So wave at all of them, and now give them a round of applause. And now give them a heart for all their hard work. This is Mara Alagich, Janet Gerson, Michael Britton, Chipamong Chowdhury, David Yamada, Elaine Meese, Phil Brown, Fatma Tufan, and Anna Strout. And Anna Strout is our camera person. She wants to remind people, if you'd rather not have your picture taken, feel free to keep your camera off, but she'll be taking pictures shortly just to demonstrate that. But anyway, thank you to all of our Digniplanners. You can go ahead and turn off your cameras.